So ito po yung KRY 200 natin mga idol. So papalitan natin ng hydraulic clutch. So susubukan ng matinik na mekaniko dito kung paano pa gaganahin yung hydraulic clutch. So ito nga pala yung mga parts ng hydraulic clutch. So ito nga pala yung ating ano, yung mga gagamitin natin. So pinagawa natin ng bracket. So brake fluid, tsaka ito yung cable, tsaka ito yung gagamitin natin, si paring Brembo. So Brembo baka naman yun.
Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Ancient beats, they come alive. Under the moon, the stars align. Reggae nights, a timeless sight. In the heart of Jamaica, where the past meets the now. Medieval echoes in the reggae sound. Knights and jesters dancing in the crowd. House beats drop, the music's loud. Oh, the drums they call, the bass it thrills. A fusion of ages the spirit fills. From the castle halls to the sandy hills. Reggae nights, the magic spills. Reggae nights, under the sky so bright.
So ayan na po yung pansamantagala na bracket. Wala pang pintura.
Everything feels right. The lute and the guitar, they start to play a reggae rhythm in a medieval way. The DJ spins, the night turns day. In this ancient land, we come to stay. Oh, the drums they call, the bass it thrills. A fusion of ages the spirit fills. From the castle halls to the sandy hills. Reggae nights, the magic spills. Reggae nights, under the sky so bright. Medieval grooves in the house of light. Dance with the ghosts in the pale moonlight. Reggae nights, everything feels right, right, right. Time bends, the music flows from the past to the future.
So ayan na po mga idol. So silisit up na lang po kung saan ba dapat yung drain plug ng ating hydraulic. So susukatin pa yan kung tama ba at saka hindi ba tatama sa ating exhaust pipe. Baka tatama sa exhaust pipe at masusunog yung kable natin. So ito po yung mga posibilidad na maging design niya. So ito na po mga idol. So binabalik na lang yung pipe natin. So susubukan to pagtapos kung baka naka-post brake to, poste yung brake. Dito malalaman kung ano talaga tong ano namin, kung sa Bisaya pang kabuang ba. Ito yung motor natin, oh. Parang dinaanan ng bagyo. Rose KRY 200. Ito yung mga gamit natin. Si Dudong Brembo yung gamit natin dito. So Brembo, Dudong Brembo, baka naman. So ikaw yung unang sinabak namin dito sa aming KRY 200. So ito yung pang malupitan na mekaniko. Lahat alam, yung pambabae lang hindi. So dito na magkakalaman mga idol. Yan po ang tunog ng ating KRY 200. Oh. Wow. Yun. Parang gumana yung ano natin hydraulic. So ito na po yung ating motor. Okay? So anong masasabi mo?
Okay kayo.